At GruupMeet, we believe that successful meetings and incentive experiences hinge on simple, effective, and smart communications. GruupMeet is a comprehensive solution for event planning that simplifies every step of your event, from communications and registration to payments and flight logistics. In this Getting Started demo, we'll show you how to upload an Excel flight manifest in either the participants or flights dashboards to help you monitor attendee travel information in real time. Uploads usually take about 5 minutes for 500 participants, 10 minutes for 1,000, 20 minutes for 2,000, and so on. After uploading a manifest, you can view the history of previous versions. You can also export all the data to Excel. Attendees are grouped by flights, which are shown according to each flight's arrival time. In addition to live flight updates, GruupMeet provides you with historical or estimated data based on flight schedules and listed for flights immediately following the manifest upload. Your attendees are also grouped by flight within the transportation dashboard, which includes estimated vehicle pickup times. As the data constantly changes based on flight updates, GruupMeet's platform enables you to stay informed and organized so you can devote more time to improving the meeting experience. One of our most popular features is GruupMeet Bookings, a simple and powerful solution that lets you build and customize your own booking and payment sites in minutes. The solution is intuitive and flexible. Simply drag and drop to create and edit beautiful, white-labeled multi-event registration and payment sites with GruupMeet Bookings' no-code and no-template solution. You can include video with the tool's built-in integration with Vimeo or YouTube to make booking sites more attractive. You can also monitor and enhance the event experience by providing timely and personalized support to guests with two-way texting. GruupMeet Bookings is convenient for attendees too. The solution does not rely on push notifications, nor force guests to download or install apps that they don't want or need. The user experience for attendees is optimized for large and small devices and does not require guests to create an account or sign up for services other than attending the event, so the focus remains on providing a delightful experience. GruupMeet Bookings also makes payments a breeze. The tool integrates with your existing merchant account or payment solution. Current built-in options that you can edit and manage on your own include integrations directly with Stripe, OmniFund, CyberSource, Authorize.net, and PayPal payment gateways. GruupMeet provides the flexibility for you to choose other payment solutions to meet the needs of your business, and includes text receipts and email options. GruupMeet Bookings does not charge any extra fees for processing payments, so you can save money and offer the best payment option for each event. An additional benefit of integrating with your existing merchant account or payment solution is the ability to quickly generate branded payment portals that can be used to streamline processes like online client invoice payments. We know you'll love GruupMeet Bookings. The participants dashboard provides an alpha order view of the guest list. This includes contact information, VIP status, check-in or notes added or related to each guest. You have the option to view flight information from the screen by clicking the gray Show Flight Info button, or you can view flight information by selecting the flight's dashboards. As an event comms platform, GruupMeet allows you to efficiently manage logistics details, attendee data, and notifications in one place. This enables you to provide timely and personalized support to guests with two-way texting. You can send reminders, updates, confirmations, and more without relying on push notifications or forcing guests to download apps that they don't want or need. The Analytics dashboard shows you statistics and information about the meeting and travel information, including flight patterns and peak times. GruupMeet's customers experience a lot of success with GruupMeet Bookings for several types of registration, ticketing, and payment needs, including tours, dining, activity, shuttle passes, theme park tickets, continuing education courses, and more. Here's how a customer leverages GruupMeet bookings to sell thousands of seats for plumbing and air conditioning continuing education classes throughout the state of Texas annually. We're highlighting this case study to help show possibilities for programs with multiple event registration options. You'll see how GruupMeet bookings seamlessly integrates multiple options and types of events for groups, so attendees can easily access and register for several events, distinct type of events, and with various numbers of additional guests all within one powerful interface. We look forward to your feedback. For more information, visit www.groupmeet.com.